One way to give your audience a handout is to make a PDF copy of it. You can, of course, print it out on paper, but giving them a PDF also allows you to put hyperlinks in it. I've got a couple examples in here. And so that allows them to take advantage of other resources that you'd like to share with them also, like videos and other articles, that sort of thing. So this has been set up as I'm going to just show you how I got this set up, slide size. And it's a custom slide size of letter paper in portrait mode. So it's the same size as a regular piece of printed paper, and that's how I make my handout. So to turn this into a PDF once it's done is to just go to File and then Save as Adobe PDF. If that is not an option in your sidebar, then you can just do Save as whatever, and then once it opens up here, you can look for other options. But that should be an option for you. So I'm going to save it. And then my Adobe Acrobat actually is set up to automatically open so that I can look at, my PDF. So now this is a PDF that I can share, and I will show you sharing options in a few minutes. First, we're going to look at how to create a PDF from a Google Slides presentation. So we're looking at a different template here, but it's the same idea. And we go to File, and then go down to Download, and then you have all these different options, and one of them is PDF. So I will click on that. And then that's going to be a download. It'll download right in onto my computer. And right there, now that has downloaded. So I will go ahead and open it so that you can see. Now that's just a nice PDF that people can take advantage of. So once I have the PDF, now I need to share it. So you've got a couple of options. If you have Dropbox, you can put the PDF in Dropbox and put a sharing link there. I'm going to use my Google Drive and share it from there. I've just got an empty folder. I'm going to upload that file into my drive. And I'm going to use the one that I just downloaded from Google Slides, but I could also use the PDF that I created from PowerPoint. This is just to show you how to actually share it. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to right click on that and click share. And what I'm going to get is I want to get a link. And I want to actually change my sharing permissions. I'm going to make it anyone with the link. Okay. So I'm going to copy this link, and it's a long, ridiculous link. I can't give people that link. If I'm standing up and giving a presentation, I can't give them that link and have them type that up. So what I need is a shorter link. I'm going to use a website called Bitly, and Bitly is a URL shortener. It's very simple. You click Create, and you paste your long URL, and I already copied that from earlier. And what it does is it gives me a shorter one. Now you can customize this. You could give them this, which is, much more manageable, or you can attempt to write something that is similar to, the meaning of your presentation. It's becoming more and more difficult to do that because so many people use services like this. So for right now, I'm going to just go ahead, but you can attempt to change this and it'll tell you if it's already been used. But I'm going to go ahead and use this. So what I typically will do is I will copy this link, and then in my presentation, I will go to the last slide, and then I'll create a new slide. Maybe I'll just make it blank. And then I will insert a text box, paste that link right there. Let's make it bigger. And also, I'm going to take off the HTTP stuff at the beginning because they don't really need to type that in. Most web browsers now will assume that and they'll add that in. So at the end of my presentations, I give them a Bitly link, and that will take them directly to that PDF download where they can grab that. Another thing you can do is you can make a QR code. I use something called QR code generator. I'm going to go back to my drive and copy that link again because what I currently have copied is the Bitly link, and I want to copy the destination link into the QR code. So I'm going to go back to this QR code generator. Right here, I'm going to paste my link, and it is going to create a QR code for me. So I'm going to download that as a JPEG. It says my download is going to start automatically, and when I look over here, there it is. It's called frame.png. So I have that QR code. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint now, And right above this bit.ly link, I'm going to add the QR code. I'm going to do Insert Pictures, go into my downloads, ignore. Let me pop that right there. Now, when my presentation is over, people can either scan the QR code or they can enter the bit.ly link. They have two options, and then they can access that PDF handout, which has lots more information from my presentation.